Hey lovelies, and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In this video we are making baobab fruit ice cream. Let's get it started. So I have my baobab fruit which I got from the market. It's very affordable and you can get it in the market anytime, any day. So I went ahead to use room temperature water to soak it for overnight because I was busy that day. But you can use warm water or hot water to soak it for 2 to 3 hours before you can extract the juice from the seed. So if today is your first time of seeing this channel, you are highly welcome. This is Getty Cooks and we make food recipes on this channel. Kindly click on the subscribe button. Okay guys, so this is the next day, and after soaking it in water, it has really dissolved well, and I'll go ahead and then with a fine strainer I will sieve this. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming through to watch my videos and leave a comment under my post. God bless you guys. To my new subscribers too, you guys are so amazing. So you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. So this is the seed after straining everything. This is how it looks now. So we just have to discard the seed. Don't need it again. So at this point I'll just go ahead and then sieve it again. Okay, so this is the baobab juice, and I'll just go ahead and add the other ingredients to the juice. So the first I'll go in with my milk. I'm using 1 cup of milk, and also I will add milk powder, which is optional, you can omit it. For my sweetener I went in with condensed milk, but if you have sugar you can also use it. I will then go ahead and mix all together until everything is well combined. Alright guys, so after mixing everything, this is it now. This looks so creamy, and I'll just go ahead and then serve them into the cups and also add my sticks to the ice cream. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one.